List 5. Amazing Grass Greens Blend Superfood. Greens powder mix for energy, packed with organic spirulina and chlorella. It boosts your energy naturally. Digestive enzymes and probiotics support gut health, enhancing your overall well-being. Beetroot powder adds a vibrant touch, making each serving nutritious and delicious. Enjoy 30 servings of this energizing greens powder mix, perfect for those seeking a healthy lifestyle. Advantages: elevate daily energy levels with organic greens powder. This superfood blend provides essential nutrients for vitality, support digestive health with enzymes and probiotics, promotes gut balance, and improves digestion naturally. List number: Luxheat 40 square feet electric radiant floor heating system. This 240-volt system is perfect for tile floors. Enjoy warm tiles with the efficient heater cable and uncoupling membrane. The UWG5 Wi-Fi programmable thermostat with GFCI ensures convenient temperature control, includes a sensor and alarm for safety and peace of mind. Experience cozy floors every day with this user-friendly heating solution. Advantages: warm floors on cold mornings offer unmatched comfort. The Luxheat 40 square feet electric radiant floor heating system provides this luxury. Energy efficiency reduces your heating bills significantly. The system uses less energy than traditional heaters, saving money. List number: Warmly Yours Radiant Floor Heating System 3 by 8 feet electric heated floor mat provides fast, perfect for under tile and stone in bathrooms. Enjoy cozy floors during chilly mornings. Easy installation ensures hassle-free setup. Make every step a warm delight. Advantages: efficient heating warms the floor evenly and quickly. No more cold tiles. Designed for bathroom use, fits perfectly under tile and stone.
Electric floor mat installation is straightforward. Save time and effort. Enjoy cozy, radiant heat. Perfect for chilly mornings.
List number: Infrared Radiant Floor Heater, Electric Heated Area Rug, Electric Heating Carpet. Experience cozy warmth with the Infrared Radiant Floor Heater. Perfect for your indoor space and ideal for yoga sessions. This electric heated area rug offers 6 gear adjustments to suit your comfort needs. Its waterproof feature ensures durability and safety in any room. Measuring 140 by 200 centimeters, it fits well in various spaces. Enjoy a warm and relaxing environment effortlessly. Advantages: warmth spreads evenly across the entire floor area. No cold spots. 6 heat settings provide personalized comfort for every user. List number: Warmly Yours Environment Electric Radiant Floor Heating 75 square feet. Experience cozy warmth with the Warmly Yours Environment Electric Radiant Floor Heating System. This ultra-thin mat fits perfectly under carpet, laminate, and floating wood floors. Designed for easy installation, it can be cut and turned for a custom fit. Covering up to 75 square feet, it provides consistent and gentle heat. Ideal for enhancing comfort in any room. Enjoy a warm and inviting space all year round. Advantages: enjoy cozy warmth beneath your feet with electric radiant heating. Ultra-thin mat fits seamlessly under carpets and floating floors. List number 5. Dr. Infrared Heater Electric Radiant Floor Heating Cable Kit. Experience cozy warmth with the Dr. Infrared Heater Electric Radiant Floor Heating Cable Kit. Perfect for chilly days. Enjoy the comfort of heated floors with easy app control and a Wi-Fi thermostat. Installation is a breeze with the included monitor guiding you step by step. Ideal for spaces up to 110 square feet, this kit offers efficient heating at 120 volts. Transform any room into a warm haven with this simple-to-use heating solution. Advantages: effortless temperature control with Wi-Fi thermostat. Adjust settings from anywhere. Installation monitor simplifies setup, ensures correct placement for maximum efficiency.